Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sanibonani. Khona ividiyo ke engiyizwile izolo. Ngizothanda ukukhuluma ngayo ngoba I know abantu abaningi bayafuna ukuthi sikhulume ngayo njengoba singabantu abahlale bekhuluma la einkundleni zokuxhumana. Ividiyo kangizwe noPhakela Umthakathi kade bekhuluma no upresident wethu uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Kunama-question amaningi abantu abayibuza wona abathi yena why uJacinta bengambonanga lapha njengomnikazi noma njenge-visioner, the main visioner iyalento le i-March and March noma le vision yokuthi akuhambe abantu bokufika. Mase kukhulunywa nopresident why angabibikho kube khona uNgizwe noPhakela Umthakathi kuphela. And later on njengoba abantu ade bebuza kwavela ke kuma social network ukuthi uJacinta ethi naye uqala ukubona kanye nabo abantu ukuthi bebe no president, kusho ukuthi not only ukuthi u-excluded, akaze atshelwe at all. Okuyinto questionable ngisho ngathiwa nenza into nindawonye neyithimu ma ukuthi seniyokwenza i-briefing somewhere noma niyokwenza something emayelana nayo lento enisuke niyenze bese nivele niyamshiya omunye engazi nokuthi nikhona lapho. Yinto ke leyo questionable ukuthi why bengam-includanga, why futhi on top of that bengamtsheli ngisho ukumtshela. Ake nginitshele nge-character kabhuti omdala, ubhuti uPhakela Umthakathi. Abantu bazophika mabethanda ukuphika, kodwa this is my view. Buka amavidiyo amaningi, sekuney'nkulumo ey'ningi esezike zaba wazenza in public ey'khombisa i-disregard yabantu besifazane. Lokho ke thina esingamaZulu nje esingakuthuki, esingakuqabuki ngoba siyazi kwaZulu ukuthi sinohlobo olunjani lwamaZulu. Sinabo abaZulu abadiphu ngempela abazi ukuthi umfazi abanye bathi ungeke uzwe ngomfazi, nabazi ukuthi umfazi nje umuntu wesifazane angeke, ayikho into angayilida, ayikho futhi into mase kumele kukhulunywe izinto eyi-serious mokhipha umfazi, ayikho into engakhulunywa umuntu wesifazane mase kukhulunywa izinto eyi-serious. Leyo undermine yabantu besifazane. Khona amaZulu and most yamaZulu anjalo, kakhulukazi esayidini lamaZulu asuke kakhulukazi ethwele i-culture engqondweni. Uthola ukuthi yonke into they are so much orientated ngokwe-culture. Zulu man, baze bethi ngesiLungu abanye typical Zulu man. So okunokwenzeka futhi ukuthola ukuthi manje i-question-ke kumele siyibuze yona engiyibuza nina enizongiphendula la kwi-comment section ukuthi mhlawumbe umshiye ngoba enakho ukuthi ey'ntweni ezinye mase kumele kukhulunywe izinto eyi-serious kufuneka amadoda, noma umshiye ngokuthi ngokumshiya sekusho khona uqhekeko phakathi kwabo bebodwana ukuthi njengamanje lento sekumele bayiphushe bobabili benongiso. Although ekuqaleni bekuwukuthi basiza yena, basiza ivision yakhe, basiza i-organization yakhe, manje kuwukuthi sebephusha eyabo yini i-organization ezothi later on mase beba nohlelo lwabo bobayi-2 esengekho uJacinta. These are the question-ke engiyibuzayo engingathanda ukuthi ngizwe ama-views abantu ukuthi bona babona kanjani. So ziningi futhi izinto ezixakile whereby uZoso onke indawo la ekuhamba khona oNgizwe noPhakela uMthakathi ebeyividorizer life enika abantu isithombe sokuthi kwenzakalani la abasuke bekhona uNgizwe noPhakela uMthakathi, ngisho izinkulumo ngisho izingxoxo la basuke bexoxa khona. Kodwa izolo akaza kwenze lokho, ayikho ividiyo esinika icontent yokuthi bekuxoxwa ngani izolo kuthiweni, ayikho ividiyo enjalo. And then engicabanga ukuthi nabantu benga-assume kodwa everybody I think it's a matter of concern ukuthi ngabe utheni upresident kubona, base beyaresponda bathini bona nokupresident, kwase kuvunyelwana ngaliphi izwi lokugcina ababenalo nopresident. Those are the questions. So into engingayisho-ke okunye futhi ekumele siyibuze khona ukuthi ngoba kuyenzeka kukhona lento le-element ye-popularism kwabanye abantu efideka kakhulu. Umuntu once waba kwi-limelight wavela kwakuthi yabo nje ubaba uMkhwanazi is one of the example yabantu who cannot be overtaken by i-popularism ne-fame. Ngendlela ubaba uMkhwanazi athe mayevela ngayo esivulela esi-unveilela ubugebengu, izinto esingazazi ngobugebengu bala eMzansi, yonke indawo, zonke iy'nhlanga, every culture, everyone, ngisho abelungu babemthwele ngeqoma bethi eish, this man is really has a heart of this country. Kodwa uthe uyabuka kubaba uMkhwanazi, that man of principle, akaze ashintshe. Uthola ukuthi uyambona ukuthi njengamanje usebanjwe ile fame noma ile popularism, akaze akwenze lokho. I-question-ke ukuthi kulaba boyi-2, are they going to be strong or are they a type yabantu abangekho yini kwi-popularism, abangenayo leyo character in them ye-popularism yokuthi ezinye izinto ma ukuthi sekuthiwa nje i-South Africa yonke kuthiwa kunamazulu amabili, uPhakela noNgizwe, abezugcina uthola ukuthi sebezoyitshela ukuthi by that sebengenza nanoma yini abazoyiphusha i-agenda yabo, begcine sometimes uthola ukuthi sebethi ngelinye ilanga bengavula i-party. That is another question futhi abantu bengangitshela ama-views abo ukuthi athini ukuthi mhlampe down the line abezugcina nabo bethi sebevula i-organization yabo noma sebevula i-political party yabo, using the charisma noma the popularism abanayo at this time, abezugcina benza kanjalo. So that is another question abantu abangayiphendula la kwi-comment section yami. So nje I don't know, ngeke mina nginike ama-answer. This is just questions engithanda ukuthi anyone who follows me or anyone who ngisho abantu abangangifollowi kodwa mayibuka le video engangitshela ukuthi ucabangani yena ngalezi zinto ezenzakalayo. And last but not least, kuzokwenzekani, ngicabanga ukuthi i-state sizo-retaliate kanjani, ngoba ngendlela engibuka ngayo ngibuka ngathi i-state sibaqumbele already. asizukuretaliate nisibuye sesibuya ngamacala incitement asizukwenza kanjalo. Nibona kanjani kulokho ke? Okay, ningabhala la kwi-comment section. Thank you.
Yeah, yazini after this meeting of uPhakela Mthakathi Nongiso with the president, everyone was left guessing. Everyone was left guessing, but since we all know and we have seen videos of uPhakela Mthakathi and his beliefs, and he's a typically Zulu man, as this man has said. A man that believes that a woman should not be out there, a woman should not be working, a woman should be inside the house, okay? Because he have said that. He have been saying that for a very long time. And we have seen how he treated this other woman that has left Mzansi divided. Because, like, what do you mean? What is the meaning of that? We are not in that era anymore. We are in this new era whereby women are allowed to stand for themselves. Women are allowed to go out to work, do anything that they want. So now people are guessing, well, maybe that's the reason why they left out Jacinta. They just thought, no, man, she's a woman. And then they just brushed her off. But guys, with this one, I really don't know, because so many people have been sharing their own thoughts, and so many people are saying the same thing. Which uPhakela Mthakathi did not hide who he really is and what he believes in. Maybe that's the reason. Maybe that's the case. Even though there some people are saying nope, he was just passing by, and and this man right here actually picked on something that really stood out to me, which is Uzo. So to say, okay, Ogai will be on their side, capturing every moment, and also obviously people will not be left confused. We will know what is happening, but on this case, nothing happened. Guy was not there. Nothing was captured. It's just that meeting whereby you don't know what was being said and what people agreed on. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.